are going to love the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, off-road package, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, rear window wiper, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.